Hey everyone, Chris here from Thrill Rides bringing you an update. There are now 8 pieces of track out on site for the new surf coaster coming to SeaWorld Orlando, rumored for the 2023 season. And you can see that it's all placed over here. There's probably new deliveries coming in at least once a week or twice a week. And we imagine there's going to be more pieces going on as the time goes on. Now, here in a second, we're going to show you the clearing area. The Sky Tower was open. I did a voiceover so you could better understand things. A little bit wind resistance, so I didn't have my other mic attached to my camera. So this is what we have currently, unfortunately. But yeah, you could see definitely that there are more track pieces out on site, which is great news. That means this coaster is going to be far along. Now, this is the same storage lot that you would find if you watched Midway Mayhem's construction update videos for Mako when it was getting constructed years ago. And then this is another view, and you could find all this by just, going over to Discovery Cove, and then you could go into the regular parking lot and then kind of go around the gravel lot, and you'll be able to find this. Everything's public property. You're not trespassing or anything like that, so don't worry about that. But I was able to get some good footage of the track pieces going in place over at Discovery Cove, and we will be doing weekly updates of this to give you more of what's going on. I'm hoping that the footers are going to be in place here soon as well over at the work site, so then that'll tell us exactly how far along it is. But currently they're just excavating the land, and you'll see that here in just a second as I move further along in this video. And I was able to get it on today, which is April 25th, 2022. And you'll see right here the excavated land over here, and you can see that they've made great progress since the last update, which was just a couple weeks ago. You can see that they've made great progress going along, and now we're going to go ahead and head over to known as the Sky Tower to get a better vantage point. And as it turns around, we're going to kind of see, the other areas, to include the Orca Stadium and then Icebreaker. And then from there, you'll be able to see the construction site. Sorry, just give it just a second to head over to that area. I'll go ahead and zoom in here in just a second. And you could see right here, and I had to do it in this angle so you could see the zoomed in version. This is the land that it's going to encompass. It's a pretty substantial amount of plot, but I imagine it's not going to be that long. I mean, not as long as like Mako or anything like that. It's rumored to be a surf coaster, which is kind of like a prototype B&M coaster. Here's another view of it, as you can see. And they are keeping some buildings intact, which means probably they're going to reuse them or use them for other municipal purposes. So that's great news on that. And there it is again. You'll see those buildings once again on there. So you'll see it at the end of this video. This is the land that they're excavating, and you can see it over by the bridge. There's a bridge that leads from one area over to Icebreaker, and you can see this all for yourself, or you could go on the Sky Tower and see it for yourself as well. With that being said, this is Chris signing off for Thrill Rides. Please like, subscribe, and share for future content that'll drop down here on our channel.